Mrs. Corneon Talanya Magnaye Gementisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Corneon Talanya Magnaye, Quezon the First. Myself, this year, 2025, February 13, day is on creation of alibi situation. Those person that is Bobo Camouflage here, Philippine, the kid that is wants fame, and then police, of which is they is erotic, and then they is targeting my being a girl gender reproductive organ, and then they is bullying me when it comes on to love life, of which is they as well bullying me when it comes onto my work. So if ever it happens, the profession of them, and then 1 peso is the salary, I wish it will happen sooner already so that they could be know of how they is so pervert here Philippine. And then the voice, when I slap my ear, the voice says, galing, yak ka di. Grabe. What is being says is, galing, yak. It is so illness because of they is so killer. What else could I say? They not stop. Harassment is what is happening on myself. The harassment portion of myself, if I will be telling the person that doing black magic, I wish this country is full of uh, illness and cancer leveling, so that they could know of how they is so pervert, and then other person knows my situation, of which is I wish talaga those person that talks on my ear be dead. When I slap my ear, it is so aching, of which is it is I could feel the something such that, of wherein it is so sadness on myself that has effect on my heart. It is such as aching. The kabit number 2 is talking on my ear at the moment. Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri, from University Kadiri of Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri. If I am a princess, the University Kadiri of Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri is on a situation of illness. And then the socialization of Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri, if I am a princess, she is on a situation of uh, cancer, such that. And then I not think of it, I not bother myself, I will just think of my own self, because of my situation is being killed of a bad person, over in it is already there is already a movement about karma when it comes onto those person that is hurting me, but I need assurance that they will be killed because of they is bad person that is living on this country, Philippine Kadiri country. And then I not know even I just noticed it is being shown at this day, at this uh day, February 13, February 12, it starts year 2025. It is being shows first during year 2016, kabaong, casket, and then I not know that person. When I sight it on my panaginip, it is a symbol of the mother of kabit number 2. And then now, February 12, 2025, it is being shows of what is being deadness of the mother of that kabit number 2, of which is on this doing 7 year of black magic, it is being put on Richel Ang Gementisa Senior instead of that person. Nakakaloka. I not know if it is will happen. is it will happen because there is detainee indoor, rapist, ay, timing ko! At University Kadiri of Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri. I need to say may panaginip because there is panaginip. It is a body movement. It is a doing. There is a multiple count of detainee during that moment. Color orange. And then it is being watched of Kung Fu, of which is they want as well to join because of pervertness to a specific person. Pakain ka ko na Ana Rosal. Mamaya. Sabi mo lang magluto ako sausage gusto ko. Sausage. Sabi mo lang. And then when it comes on to that criminal, kabit number 2, they is 5 count to 6 count, and then to Alex and Giantisa Jr. ko, 5 count to 7 count person. That is criminal. Timing ko, I'm not in here to tawag doon, talking of such as uh, weirdness. It is a truthfulness happening, and then it is truthfulness will happen, of which is myself is being target of a bad person. What else could I say? Travel moment yun. Travel moment is what I will talk. Since myself is being killed here Philippines, they not want me to travel, and then my mother does not travel even though my mother likes to travel. What I wish is this country. I already say that on Korea. Whenever a person from Philippines will travel, the intensity of that person, pervertness to myself is the depthness of that person, so that so that they should so that they be easily be killed, such that because of this country is so pervert, parang nakatikim lamang ng karangyaan sa buhay yung mamamatay tao na, such that wordings. Usually that tagline is on Shopee. Myself is being slapped just because of I bought products from Shopee, of which is myself is being tells pagmumura, bad word. And then my cousin, Valerie, I not know of when she will notice of her doing, bad doing, of which is myself is being killed. Uh, what I mean ko, kakadiri din is, din na Alex ko, civil engineer. And then, brown color. The person, Precious Crucendico is civil engineer that all that doing a certain body movement on black magic so that I could ikot-ikot, even though myself is truthfulness, not doing ikot-ikot on iyo, nakakadiri. Precious Crescendico is so kadiri. She wants me to ikot-ikot my vagina. Nakakadiri. I not even tends to do that. Days forces me to do a doing that I not usually do. My God. I wish that person has cancer. I wish that person has cancer. Precious Crescendico. But Precious Crescendico on 7 Year of Black Magic is being dead. Bullet. Gunshot. I not socialized to that person. My only socialization when it comes into college friend of Alex Jr. ko is Almera and then Mary Joy. And not usually Mary Joy. I not know yet. Yung babae, yung payat, yung sinisilipan din ni Precious Kusindico. Puro sila silip na silip. Why such that? I have as well moment at South America. That is why myself is at America only. Because I have a life indoor at South America. Latina they is, they talk on Latina and then myself, uh, tawag dito, hard on difficult on comprehension, but I could talk. Latina, they is on my left ear. Why such that? Latino, no, not the word why such that. Why on my life, I have a life on America and then I have a life here, Philippines. Myself is on confused. My English vocabulary at the moment is being open. And then it is such as letting me to talk. Then I will talk now. On America life, it is privacy. It is such as hard to cite. I don't know if it is hard to cite, but on myself, the content of the moment on America is minimal being shows. And then here at Philippines, myself is being hurt, being killed, being dead, and then being look of my panaginip, which is myself is being put on Tenga mode. I not know of why such my situation is such this. Of which is on my life, I tend to do body movement so that I am on this situation and then I am on body movement for my own happiness. For my happiness. Now, what is about America and then the what I say a while ago here Philippine about? I not know. But myself, when it comes onto America and then Philippines, I am English speaking ever since grade school. On grade school, I could not talk English. I could not talk Tagalog as well. But my talking is English. Oh, when it comes into English, near British. Not British accent. That they is high level British accent. Slang. Yun, slang accent. Tahimik ko, but I am doing live video. Camera video, I will talk. My back. I'm not hurting the hmm? Ah, when it comes to royal family, I am on the two brother, which is my thinking process is queen. Why? But there is queen already. I not know. Timing to. It does not hurt at the moment my back when it comes on to when it comes on to cesarean. Hangin. It should be has bandage. Bandage on the waist so that it could not have air. Cesarean session. She can be. The person says magbubuntis si Puwet, and then I could feel the right eye is on creation of on the black magic to kill me. And then after when I am talking, the person tends to being out. Weird. America, Philippines. On America, my life indoor house, such as vacation, house, and then myself is Talia. Talia is the Talia Rosalinda. When it comes to Talia, I not think of being artista of her. What is me is house, such as living on the house. And then I'm not thinking if Talia is has 29-year-old kid. Why? Because what I cite on Google, she only has teenage kid. Weird na? That is so weird. I not know. And then here, Philippine, when it comes to Talia, Richel Ang, Gementisa Sr. is killing her. Why? Because of money. And then, afraid of getting the business. Weird. Is not, that is so weird. Why it is weird when it is year 2024, 2025 already currently. And then when it comes to business, it is being get. When it comes onto business as well, it is old, such that old. Specific is what I say. Ang bait nila. Tahimik ko, myself is being target. Who's mabait? Not Richelle, ang Gentisa, Senior, or even Talia, the specific person. What else? Mm, specific is what I say. Currently, year 2025 is the specific person that I not know. Tahimik ko. But may currently inside heart pain illness. Heart pain illness. I am on control, calm. And then the person is heart pain illness pertains about the age of that person is 50s, 40s to 50s or 60s. I not know. What does it mean? Mm, such as the illustration of the person, uh, such this one tapos, parang ganun. The head, wait lang. Such this is the head, this is the head of such as, parang ganun. The meaning of it when it turns onto this, quarreling. Oh, that is the meaning on, that is the imagination on myself. The imagination of the right eye. The meaning of it of such this is to quarrel, two person. Putting on quarrel. Kakaloka this. Even though they know, timid ko, I will talk of my own situation. My vibes at the moment is being target the person that is a good person, and then the killer is on targeting. Here at Taguig City, Bobo camouflage is backer of Kabit. When it comes onto Kabit, getting of what is not onto her, I not know why. And then the other portion of girl gender here Philippine is anger towards me even though I not do anything. I never know black magic. That is why myself is on a situation of uh, comforting myself if on the midst of situations such this. And then I am afraid in here, chest pain, heart pain illness, when I such this, the bone, sometimes I could feel uh, ache, bone ache. Not want you, chest bone ache, not want them. So the other insight when I talk chest bone ache, the bobo camouflage is getting the not pertains onto that person. I am neat person, neat, clean person. Such that is clean person is me. Not not because of fry on refrigerator. It does not mean dirty is the person. Neat the person of on a situation of life that the person knows of how to care for self. So the bobo camouflage, the short height is killer. That is how she is killer. getting intelligence so the person to be dead. Am I being understood? I not know why the specific person does not do anything. Just because of I cite it. Ang memory, panaginip, SM aura. The Bobo camouflage is as well being on television that they want to bump the SM aura. And then I am honest person. Is that shame if I am something and I am honest person and then what is the meaning of red blood? I not know. Violet blood. I not know. When I am on body movement, of course I live. I am alive. And then the blood tends to from this one to dun, something such that na on them. Meaning of it, ay! At tahimik! At dahaga siya! Mm, ay, ito. Rants is that when I say uh, when it will be back on myself, doctor vibes. When, no. After doctor vibes, what will I say is low vibes. Low vibes is socialization. I not want, oh, myself is on uh, color black. Naantin. That is why I talk such this color black. It is on Agila, not on book, color gray book or paper. Right? No, that is mine. Agila, Not assuming, but that is how I interpret it, illustrate it. Agila about Philippine eagle. What is on myself is American eagle. Myself is being forced. Naon yun? How myself is being forced? The person is erotic on feeling of myself and Alex Jr. po. Crime there is. That it says that is that it says parang oh naon you Alex Jr. ko is my love life. And then there is no playing when it comes onto that. That is life. The doctor vibes, love vibes is myself. Air. Alikabok. Not no alikabok. It is such as when flying the eagle. Yun. During that moment. I'm not boastful in here. I'm not boastful in here. I am interpretative, illustrative. When the eagle flies, air is such that ginan. But there is on eye. Eye. My eye is light brown. My eye is color brown. This eye of Alex Jr. ko and myself I this eye of myself is during third year high school. The light brown when it is ay ah wait lang. Mm. When it is light brown, I am on Magnaye. Lola ko. My lola is adult. Uh, beauty. Pretty. Ang ganda ko. Oh, no. Matakot ako. Takot ako. Illustrative is me. Light brown legs ko. What is the color of eye of Alex? Not know. The black, the oval, there is grade school. Grade school there is. If Alex something. Anong timing ko? Inaantutok. Ishara eye color gray. Why? I want to talk about them. That is my camera video at the moment.